Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into one of the most requested style topics ever: how to make your jeans look elegant in 2026, no matter your budget, your age, or your personal style. Because the truth is, denim is something we all wear, but not everyone knows how to make it look polished, high-end, and truly elevated. So if you want your denim to feel richer, sharper, and more refined than ever before, stay with me. Number 1. Finding the most flattering fit. When it comes to making your jeans look elegant and expensive, the very first step is choosing a fit that truly complements your body. Jeans that are too tight instantly cheapen the look. They stretch, pull, and take away from the clean lines that make denim appear elevated. On the other hand, overly baggy or extra-wide jeans can overwhelm your frame and give your outfit a sloppy, unbalanced feel. The secret is choosing denim that follows your natural shape in a smooth, relaxed way. Not skin-tight, not shapeless, just supportive, clean, and flattering. Stylish women know that proportion is the foundation of a polished outfit. That's why cuts like straight leg, wide leg, mid-high rise, flare, and boot cut always look more refined. Straight leg jeans create a clean silhouette that works with almost any shoe. Wide leg shapes offer a beautiful, elongated line that looks modern without being overwhelming. Mid-high rise balances the torso and legs, giving you a more graceful posture and an instantly taller appearance. And flare or bootcut jeans introduce subtle movement that looks chic with boots or heels. Number 2. Choosing classic washes. If you want your jeans to look elegant and expensive, one of the most transformative choices you can make is selecting the right wash. Classic washes, mid-blue, light blue, deep indigo, dark gray, black, ecru, and even clean white, have a naturally refined quality that elevates your entire outfit. These tones look smooth, modern, and intentionally put together, creating a cleaner silhouette no matter what you pair them with. They lend a sense of structure to denim, making it appear more luxurious without needing embellishments or heavy styling. These classic shades also offer remarkable range and work beautifully in many different wardrobes. These washes also blend smoothly with a wide variety of textures and seasonal pieces, making them reliable and easy to integrate into your everyday style. Because they are timeless and visually stable, they don't overpower your look. Instead, they enhance it in a subtle, sophisticated way. But with that said, there are washes you'll want to avoid if your goal is to look classy and elevated. Jeans with a dirty, patchy fade or an overly worn-out, washed-down look can make your outfit appear messy and unbalanced. These distressed washes disrupt the smooth, clean lines that elegant outfits depend on. Number 3. Elevated basics. When you want your jeans to look elegant, the pieces you pair with them matter just as much as the denim itself. Elevated basics are truly the secret weapon here. Think structured blazers, long tailored coats, refined jackets, and clean, well-shaped cardigans. These pieces immediately sharpen the look of denim and give it a polished, grown-up feel. They create a clear contrast with the casual nature of jeans, which is exactly why they work so beautifully. Underneath these layers, stick to essentials that never fail: a crisp button-up shirt, a smooth knit sweater, or a fine-gauge turtleneck. These items add a clean foundation that balances the outfit. And as you've seen in the examples, a simple knit, cardigan, and white t-shirt combination can be worn in so many ways. The cardigan on the shoulders, the sweater over the shoulders, the t-shirt as the base, or even just the knit alone. Each tiny variation gives you a fresh look without needing to buy anything new. You can also bring in one of this season's beautiful trends: checkered or plaid shirts. Wear them slightly open with a t-shirt underneath, or buttoned halfway for extra depth and visual interest. It adds dimension without overwhelming the outfit. But what you should avoid are printed sweatshirts, bold logos, and hooded tops. These instantly pull the outfit back into a very young, unrefined, and inexpensive territory. Instead, a clean, simple knit or a crisp shirt will make your jeans look much more polished, creating a neat, structured, and visually balanced appearance every single time. Just like in the photo, white jeans, a taupe knit, a simple black belt, sleek-heeled boots, and a minimal bag come together to make denim look far more elegant and modern. Number 4. Wear simple accessories. Accessories play a powerful role in elevating denim, especially when your goal is to make jeans look chic and refined. One of the most elegant touches you can add is a silk scarf. Whether it's tied around the neck, draped loosely, or styled through belt loops, a silk scarf instantly brings softness and sophistication to the outfit. Its texture, subtle shine, and color harmony create a graceful balance against the structure of denim, helping your overall look feel more put together without any extra effort. Beyond scarves, minimalist jewelry is one of the easiest ways to enhance denim while maintaining a clean, elegant aesthetic. Think gold or silver earrings, delicate rings, or a sleek bracelet, pieces that frame your look without overpowering it. The same goes for belts. A polished leather belt, whether slim or slightly oversized, adds definition to the waist and introduces a sense of structure that works beautifully with any jean silhouette. And when your bag and shoes complement each other in tone or texture, the entire outfit gains a sense of unity that reads as refined and thoughtfully styled. And as seen in the video, even small styling details can make a noticeable difference. The way the lady allows the collar of her shirt to peek out from under her knit, the sleek brown belt that ties the waist together, the gold earrings and rings that echo each other, and the brown gold watch that subtly matches her boots. Everything relates. Nothing clashes, and the result feels stylish, cohesive, and beautifully elevated. Number 5. High-quality denim. When it comes to choosing jeans that make you look elevated, it's important to avoid styles that distort your proportions, like overly tight, jegging-like cuts or extremely loose, collapsing silhouettes. Rather than choosing styles that distort your proportions, look for silhouettes that bring balance to your frame and visually lengthen your legs. If your jeans are wider at the bottom, pair them with a more fitted top to maintain proportion. And if your jeans are slimmer or gently tapered, a slightly relaxed knit or structured blouse on top can create a beautiful contrast. The idea is simple. Choose denim that complements your shape, and then use your top half to restore harmony so your outfit feels cohesive, flattering, and polished in a very refined way. Once you understand this balance, every outfit becomes easier. You'll instinctively know when to choose a closer-fitting top, when to add structure, and when to soften a look. This small mindset shift transforms denim from something casual into something more elevated, modern, and genuinely improving to your overall appearance. Number 6. Elegant and classy outfits with jeans. One of the most beautiful things about denim is how effortlessly it pairs with elevated outerwear, and this is where maxi coats and trench-style jackets truly shine. Whether you prefer a long, sweeping coat or a cropped trench with sharp detailing, these pieces instantly give jeans a sophisticated frame. A well-cut coat doesn't compete with denim, it enhances it, giving the entire silhouette a graceful, elongated effect. They add height, structure, and presence, the kind of quiet elegance that makes even a simple jean outfit look intentional and polished. Another timeless pairing is jeans with chic tops that carry a bit of shape or visual interest. Think soft ruffles, tailored collars, refined draping, or minimal tucks. Tops that bring femininity and a sense of ease without overwhelming the look. It's the balance between relaxed and dressy that makes the outfit stand out, drawing attention to the clean lines of the jeans while adding a touch of elegance around the neckline and shoulders. And of course, structured blazers and fluid knit sweaters remain essential for anyone who wants to style jeans in a classy way. A blazer with a sharp shoulder or defined waist instantly makes denim feel more composed, bringing a sense of intention to the entire outfit. On the other hand, a draped, high-quality knit creates softness and movement, giving jeans a cozy yet neat-looking touch. Both options show how versatile denim truly is when you match it with pieces that have shape, texture, and quiet sophistication. Your everyday jeans become the foundation for outfits that look effortlessly elevated throughout the year. When styling jeans, always keep the balance between elegant and classic casual in mind. Without leaning too sporty, the tips we've covered will help your denim outfits look polished, confident, and effortlessly chic, giving you that subtle, elevated effect every single time. In short, the right pieces take your jeans out of the overly casual zone and into a stylish everyday look. And remember, they're not sweatpants. At the end of the day, how your jeans look depends entirely on how you style them and how you feel in them. When you choose pieces that highlight your shape, add the right layers, and express your personality, even the simplest denim transforms. Your jeans are just the canvas. You're the one who brings the look to life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay classy, stay confident, and take care of yourselves.